Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Today I prefer to speak in English. I'm going to share to you guys once you encounter this issue. It's not actually an issue. Take a look. I use this sensor for the room and look what is the reading. The compressor engaged, but the reading is 98.3 degrees Celsius, and this is my room temperature. Take a look. And if I'm going to use this one, take a look what will going to be happen. Ang difference ng dalawang ito ang pinaka-topic natin ngayon. Tignan nyo, what is the temperature now? We have 41.2, and I'm going to access the calibration, and we will see if there is a value to this OT for the room calibration, and it's set to 000. Now I'm going to bring back, or let's go out here, and I'm gonna show you this PBC parameter. Let's press set, and it's set to NTC, but once I'm going to select PTC, positive temperature coefficient, press set, and look what will be the reading. I got an alarm. It says it says P2. It says P2. So I got a P2 alarm. We're going to access that again and take a look what will gonna happen. See, P1 and P2 appears because I have two sensor installed, and the other one is NTC, both NTC, but the PBC parameter set to PTC. Another set button and all down button for 7 seconds to enter the hidden parameter, and we will restore back the PBC okay, there is it. Was set, and ibabalik ko lang siya guys ha. Tingnan nyo, mawawala yung, where is it? PBC, reset, PTC, and I'm going to select the NTC, set, and take a look. Okay, the P1 and P2 disappear. So that will going to happen once you selected the wrong parameter for the room sensor, and I'm going to install back the sensor that has a reading of 98 something. I'm going to remove from terminal number 12 and 11, and so I'm teaching here for free, and take a look. The 98.1 is back, meaning I have a different sensor here. This one is the PTC, while this blue here is the NTC. And let's try to set the PBC parameter. Okay, there is it's accessible. Reset, and I'm going to choose PTC for this sensor, but the problem, we might have conflict again because the room or the evaporator is NTC. See, so we got a problem again. It says, but look at the reading. Okay, I will just silent, and once you encounter this, where we have a two probe running to this Dixel XR60CX, one is NTC and one is PTC, so we cannot use at the same times two different types of sensor. So if you rewind the video, we use this same NTC, but the code for the PBC, I set it to PTC. We encounter the same scenario. We have the P1 and P2 error, but look at the reading now. The reading now is accurate. It says 29 because I selected the PTC. And take a look what will gonna happen again. I'm going to disable the P2, and okay, accessible, preset, and I'm going to choose no. So my sensor is only one. The evaporator sensor is being disabled, and look, we don't have an error now. And look at the reading. I got a reading of 29.7 for the PTC. Now I'm using the correct sensor for this Dixel control, and the difference I saw in the manual is that PTC range is different from the NTC range, so they have a different ranges, and we can see that here under the technical data. Let's proceed to the measuring and regulation. Measuring and regulation range, we have the NTC probe, and the range is -40 plus 110 degrees Celsius, and for the PTC we have -55 plus or positive 150 degrees Celsius, so we have a difference 110 here, while here is 150, and for the NTC we have -40, while here is -55. So it's up to you which one you're going to use. Is it the NTC or the PTC? So if you encounter this issue, I hope you can easily troubleshoot. So we are now in PTC, single sensor, and single sensor is intended for chiller, but do not mix up. Huwag nyo lang i-mix, mga idol. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo na iba ang reading ng PTC sa NTC. Hindi sila pwedeng pagsamahin dalawa. Hindi sila pwedeng pagsamahin. Ito parehas na NTC, pero kapag ang program sa PBC is nakalagay sa PTC, nakita nyo naging error natin. So same with the NTC at saka PTC. kahit naka-PTC yung sinelect nyo, kung nag-mix up, hindi po pwede. Meron tayong error na P1 at P2. So, hindi pwede natin gamitin dalawa magkaibang sensor at the same times. So, hopefully, this helps you guys to choose the proper sensor for your control. At mga Eliwell equipped dito, may mga selection din ng Eliwell how to choose between PTC and NTC. So pag na-encounter nyo ito, huwag nyo i-declare na sira. Maawa kayo sa mga customer nyo. Ngayon, natutunan nyo kayo on-call technician na setable pala itong mga to. NTC, PTC. So setable hindi pwedeng i-mix up. So once you encounter this, guys, please be guided by what I discussed here. A while ago, we mixed up NTC with NTC for the evaporator and for the room sensor, but the PVC parameter we set it to PTC. We got a problem. Now we mix up PVC. We set PVC into NTC, and we use different type of sensor. We still got an issue. So best solution for that, use your proper sensor. If you prefer PTC, you both use PTC for the room and evaporator. Hopefully those basher will learn also. Basher, kung gusto mong matuto, huwag kang basher. Ibahin mo sa on-call technician. Hindi ako after ng mga views nyo. Thanks and good night.